anniversary for Just Nailed It, and it's been a while. We are back with our acrylic series. Today, I want to start here. I got this beautiful, beautiful lotus flower dabbing dish off Amazon. Look at all the beautiful colors in it, in the petals. I think this is just stunning. And of course, you know, it has the lid, which, but look at that, I can't knock it over. Woohoo! It's got the glass bottom with 3 little legs. I am so happy. So today, the reason for my video is, you know, I've been doing a lot of shopping. This is acrylic, as you know, because it's Tuesday. Did anybody guess where it's from? Oh, good gracious. I didn't buy just acrylic either. I bought the monomer to go with. So, not to keep you in suspense any longer, I bought 4. These were on sale. Young Nails. Their new jelly acrylic colors. I cannot wait to play. We have got 4 beautiful colors here. Let me see, I can't remember what they are. Strawberry jelly. Ooh, lemon jelly. Blueberry jelly. That one I think is just so pretty. And then we've got the orange. Orange jelly. They are sealed real good here. Let me see if I can find it. Just pop them out. So that means I'm going to pause. Unwrap, and we'll be right back. And there, a little bit of technical difficulties, but we are back. We have got the wrappers off of all 4. Oh, look at how beautiful these colors are. Beautiful. Oh, let me turn my light on. I don't know if you can see the orange down here. No, you can't really. So, I'm going to take the lid off my dabbing dish, my lotus flower. You can find this on Amazon. I'll put the price down below. I bought a 6 full ounce of liquid monomer. I'll put the price down across the screen for that. But I'm going to use my old bottle instead of opening up the new. Pour this in my dabbing dish. Let me see how they are. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So you shouldn't lay it down like that. You do not want to lay it like this, folks. Because then you start to get all the liquid down into the ferrule. Ferrule, is that what it's called? This piece here. And we won't get into that. It's just a don't do. I have got 4 swatch sticks, 1 for each color. Oh, if you are new here to my channel, please subscribe, click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos and all giveaways. In July we're going to be having an international, worldwide designer nail sticker giveaway. Seems I bought too many where I got doubles, and I just felt the need to share. So we're going to do that. We have got our lemon, strawberry, blueberry, orange jelly set up here. Always burp your brush really good. Get all the air bubbles out. Tap off one side. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Do not drag the brush through the acrylic, folks. I see so many women make that mistake, and I don't want to call anybody out. I'm not going to put anybody out on Front Street. That wouldn't be cool of me at any given point. Isn't that cool to put somebody out on Front Street like that? So I got too much down on the tip. I'm going to brush it back just a smidge. Make sure you get your sides of the nail. We are doing the underbelly of the nail, so to speak. I love this damn dish. I am in heaven. In heaven. So once you pick up your beads, you do want to let it sit for just say a 5 count, Greg says. 5 count. Spread it out to the edges of the nail. Now we're going to be at our tip here. This is just beautiful. Wipe my brush off better. Look at that lemon jelly. I don't even know if I was in frame. I wasn't looking. I think this is stunning. Stunning. We're going to put this over here off to the side. Again, that is the Lemon Jelly by Young Nails Inc. Next, we're going to go in with our strawberry jelly. Reverb your brush, tap it off. Give it a bounce to 3. Do not drag. We're just using the tip of our brush here just to feather it out a little bit. Whoops. This is beautiful, this pink. Definitely going to be using this soon. Now feather them in together. Let me check this side. Got some good coverage. This is such beautiful, beautiful acrylics. I love this damn dish. I can't help but to keep playing in it. It's just so pretty. It's just so pretty. Beautiful. I'm so happy I purchased this. So happy. Yep, I love playing in this. Yep. Here is the strawberry gel. I bet you I was out of frame doing this, wasn't I? Oh my gosh. I'm terribly sorry, folks. Look at how stunning this is. Where's the light? Here, I got 3 lights on. Still can't see well. Look how dark my hands look. We've only got, they do look the same color, but this hand, my driver's hand, is darker. Gonna close up strawberry jelly. Next we'll do the orange next, because I'm just really excited about the blue. That blue is really super full. Really super full. The others aren't as full. Beautiful orange jelly. I am so pleased with these. I'm so glad that I purchased these. They are stunning. Props to Young Nails for exquisite acrylic colors. This is a great idea. They're just coming up with jellies. This is the orange jelly. How beautiful is that? Next, we're going to go in with our blueberry. Who's excited about seeing the blueberry? I know I sure am. I did shake up all my acrylic prior to opening them, so I want you to know that. That is something you should always do. Always, always, always shake your acrylics, especially if they're new. I mean, yeah, they probably got shook during transit, but I've had these for at least a good week before I filmed, so, you know, they've sat around. I mean, they got moved. Well, no, they didn't get moved. They were in the drawer. These are so pretty. So pretty. Yeah, I like playing with my brush, my new dabbing dish, like playing with it all. This blue is just so stunning. There we go. There we go. Here is the blueberry jelly. I know when I rewatch this, I bet you I'm out of frame on every single color, aren't I? This is just beautiful. So again, we have got Young Nails Jellies Acrylic. There were 4 in the collection that they came out with. They have got, so hold on, let me get all of them. Let's see now, we have got the lemon jelly, strawberry jelly, orange jelly, and blueberry. I think these all came out stunning. I'm just so amazed at how beautiful they are. I'm loving them. I'm just so loving the colors. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Do you have a favorite? I know I do. Also, yeah, let me know what your favorite is. I don't know, I like them all, but I do have a favorite. I think the favorite is the blue. I don't know, could be the pink, could be the strawberry. I don't know, they're just stunning. So leave me a comment down below with your thoughts. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Ring the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos and all giveaways that are going to be coming up. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.